Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel where we're going to be talking about all things Ninja motorcycles. I've got a 2024 myself, and the first thing I wanted to talk about, which is the quad lock system. So I just got this, just everything is still in the box here. I ended up buying directly from Quad Lock, and I've got kind of a first time, buyer discount out the door with everything, including shipping to my home. I got the motorcycle fork stem mount, the vibration dampener, a case for, yes, I'll admit it, it's a Galaxy S25. Sorry, iPhone users out there. And then the little rain poncho for the phone, which should be interesting. So all of this out the door was $136.99 with the discount and shipping and everything. And when I was pricing it out, looking at Cycle Gear and Amazon and all the different places you can buy motorcycle accessories, going this route was definitely the best deal. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the box, and then we'll look at how to install it.